Today we explore an important question. Is purpose the same as career? Many people use these words interchangeably, but they are different. Understanding the difference can help you live a happier and more meaningful life. First, let's define what career means. A career is the work or job you do to earn money. It is often connected to skills, education, and experience. People choose careers based on their interests, strengths, or opportunities. Examples of careers include being a teacher, doctor, engineer, artist, or business owner. Careers usually involve specific roles, tasks, and goals. Now, what is purpose? Purpose is the reason why you do something. It is your inner motivation, your deep sense of meaning in life. Purpose is about what matters most to you and how you want to contribute to the world. It is often connected to values, passions, and beliefs. For example, your purpose might be to help others, create beauty, solve problems, or bring happiness. So purpose is about why you do things. Career is about what you do to make a living. Sometimes your career matches your purpose perfectly. For example, if your purpose is to teach and help others and your career is teaching, then purpose and career overlap. However, this is not always the case. Many people work in jobs that do not match their deeper purpose. They may do their job for money but feel unfulfilled or disconnected. This is because their career is not aligned with their true purpose. Understanding the difference between purpose and career helps in making better life choices. When you know your purpose, you can look for careers or activities that support it. This creates balance and satisfaction in life. You can also find purpose outside of your career. For example, through hobbies, volunteering, or relationships. It is important to remember that purpose can change over time. As you grow, your values and passions may shift. Your career may also change, but staying connected to your purpose keeps you motivated and focused. In summary, purpose and career are not the same. Career is what you do to earn money and build skills. Purpose is why you do what you do, your deeper meaning in life. When purpose and career align, life feels more meaningful and rewarding. Think about your own life. What is your purpose? Does your career support it? If not, what steps can you take to bring them closer together? Remember, finding purpose is a journey, not a destination.